Guys, welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this hair pomade. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using castor oil. Here I'm using 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Castor oil is very good for the hair. It moisturizes the hair and help control split ends. And then the next ingredient here I'm using is coconut oil, cold press. And cold pressed coconut oil is also good for natural hair. I'm using 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. After that, I'm using my beeswax to combine the oils together. I'm using a teaspoon of beeswax, after which I put in the microwave. You can do a double boiler on this and to enable the beeswax to dissolve. And after dissolving, here's the result. And at this point, you can add menthol crystal or essential oils or your fragrance. After allowing it for some minutes to cool, and here is the final look when it has completely cooled down. So here's the end result. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to drop your comments, share my videos and like them. Subscribe if you've not done so. See you next time. Bye.